And Apple's September 12 iPhone event draws near. We expect to see more and more leaks of the upcoming 3 iPhones from various sources. Today we have a reasonably good look at what could prove to be the entry-level 6.1-inch LCD iPhone. It should be the cheapest 2019 iPhone because of the single camera and the colors, while the iPhone XS and XS Max are expected to launch in white, black and gold. The 6.1-inch model will offer more color options. This is likely the 6.1-inch iPhone because of the picture dual SIM tray, which only the entry-level iPhone is expected to have. This will be the first dual SIM iPhone and it will most likely be a China exclusive. In this instance, we see a red, white, blue and what looks like rose gold. All models have aluminum frames and what appear to be the bigger camera modules. We don't get a glimpse at the front where it's expected there will be a 6.1-inch LCD with a notch for Face ID 1.0. Apple will clear up all unknowns in just a week's time, but if you were wondering how much the cheapest iPhone XS will cost, well, about as much as an iPhone 8 does now, $700. The iPhone XS will cost as much as an iPhone 8 Plus, $800, and the iPhone XS Max will cost as much as iPhone X did at launch, $999. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.